like his face off. I'm on my pagan shit. Worship Satan with a torch lit. No mistletoe, just spliff smoke.
So this is gonna be about my hair, okay? Because it is on fleek. And we can't lie. We can't lie. We can't deny. Okay. I want to show you how I got it because I know during quarantine we don't have the money to get our hair done or get new hair, right? We just have to work with what we got. If y'all want my Walgreens special secret to get blonde highlights in under 30 seconds, okay? So stay tuned. Let me just show you how this baby does its thing. But this is how I went from dark hair to blonde highlights. It's that simple, that easy. Just shake the bottle real good and spray. Obviously I'm gonna have to wash my hand after, but you see? Blonde. Now the blonde is like glitter, so be careful. I feel like it looks better on curly hair just because it makes it look more natural. So the reason why I showed you this is because sometimes you need a darker root. So I did darker roots with this dark spray and blonde for the ends. I know! No professional needed. Thought I had to jump on here and share that. Let's see. Okay. Dark hair, guys. Dark hair to natural blonde highlights. Okay, don't sleep. Walgreens, the product, and rolled products. So that is how I achieved this look in under $20.
Dive in the darkness.